Mutual funds. What is mutual fund? A mutual fund is an investment vehicle where multiple investors pool their money. A professional fund manager invests this money in stocks, bonds, or other assets. It helps in diversification, reducing risk for investors. Types of mutual funds. Based on investment asset class. Equity funds invest in stocks, high risk, high return. Debt funds invest in bonds, low risk, stable return. Hybrid funds mix of equity and debt, balanced risk. Based on investment goals. Growth funds focus on capital appreciation. Income funds generate regular income. Tax-saving funds help in tax deductions, example ELSS. Benefits of mutual funds. Diversification reduces risk by spreading investments. Professional management experts handle investments. Liquidity easily buy and sell units. Systematic investment plan, SIP, invest small amounts regularly. How to choose the right mutual fund? Step 1. Identify your investment goal, wealth creation, tax saving, etc. Step 2. Check fund performance and past returns. Step 3. Compare expense ratio and fund manager expertise. Step 4. Assess risk tolerance and investment horizon. Common mistakes to avoid. Key points. Investing without research. Chasing high past returns. Ignoring expense ratio and exit loads. Timing the market instead of staying consistent. Mutual funds can grow your wealth over time, but choosing wisely is key. Invest with the Vadvik. Download our app.
Disclaimer. Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Please read all related documents carefully before investing. The Vadvik Corporate Services Private Limited are not liable or responsible for any of your investors' profit or loss in market-related securities investments.